We're in Lexington, Kentucky visiting the Bluegrass Council of the Blind for a special event. We're very excited to be teaming up with organizations like the Bluegrass Council of the Blind in helping provide access to technology. And today, 3 lucky members will be receiving a free Sunu Band with personalized training. Come on, let's check it out.
My name is Sam Seavey. I am the Assistive Technology Program Coordinator here at the Bluegrass Council of the Blind in Lexington, Kentucky. I also have a YouTube channel called The Blind Life, where I make videos about living life with a vision impairment, with an emphasis on the assistive technology that can help make your life better. We're a nonprofit here in Kentucky dedicated to helping individuals affected by vision loss. We have 2 main programs here. One is peer support and the other is assistive technology. We're very unique. We're one of the only places here in Kentucky where individuals can come and try out a wide variety of assistive technology and also get training on those devices.
Well, my name is Linda Stewart, and I really didn't know this was even in the works as far as the invention of the Sunu. But I'm very thankful because I feel it will be a help to me, help me know my surroundings better, of course, and know when I'm coming to, say, a doorway, or if there's something alongside of me that might be jutting out, I can go around it instead of bump into it. And I like that idea real well.
My name is Larry Vanderpool. I am very excited. This is a whole new world for me to experiment with and explore. I'm super excited to see what all I can use it for. So far, just from what I've learned, I really love the feature where I can tell when people are like close to me or when they're walking past or away. I really think that concept is really cool. To pretty much be able to walk around somewhere that is semi-familiar, but also be able to identify where there's a gap to walk through so that I'm not crashing into everything with my cane.
Thanks to the amazing generosity of Sunu for donating one of their devices to the Bluegrass Council of the Blind. Now I will be able to do demonstrations and training with the Sunu device for people in our community. I think it's an amazing device, and the potential to help out the visually impaired community is huge. And sure, it's not the only device on the market, but with all the extra features that the users get through the Sunu app on their smartphone, I think it really stands out above all the other competitors in the sonar market.
Be sure to check out the description below this video to learn how you can help provide Sunu Band in your community.